Are we really free in our life? Yes, we are. Because we know that sometimes people, especially when they analyze our role in society, and they remind us that actually when we are entering, for example, a supermarket, we are not free, because we are free to choose among a variety of things that someone else has pre-selected for us. But if we skip exactly this example, and if we just think about something that is in our power, so the power, the choice of choosing our own words, choosing our own gestures, the interaction with the people that are around us, our activities, what we are doing in our life, choosing the energy that we want to invest and give to specific situations, then yes, we are always free. And this is exactly the element that we need to understand when we think, when we feel sometimes that we are trapped in situations and we keep saying, but I don't have the choice because I need to pay the bills. I don't have the choice because I've been together with this person my own life, so I cannot make a decision because we have children together. Or because so there are external situations in which we feel that we cannot actually do what we would love to do. But when we keep thinking in this way, we are creating conditions that will then influence our future. And then it will mean that we will constantly feel victims in which we are living in a cage, and we don't feel that we have the opportunity and the chance to shape our situations and change really our life.